I have zero background in coding, no tech skills, no VC funding, and I built an AI SaaS company that now brings in over $51,000 in reoccurring monthly revenue. And in this video, I'm gonna break down exactly how I did it step by step so you can copy the blueprint and do it as well. So as I mentioned, I'm gonna show you how I was able to scale from $0 to $51,000 in MRR with our AI SaaS company and have zero background in any tech or anything like that. So as you see over here, $51,000 in our monthly recurring revenue. I'm just gonna go through the journey and how I was able to get there and how I started and, the blueprint that I literally went through. So, first that you need to figure out is you want to find the right problem that you're going to solve for these businesses and what you're going to be able to charge, right? So I was in wholesaling, I was in real estate. So that is kind of the route I knew I wanted to take because I knew pretty much the whole entire process A to Z and I was doing it for multiple years. So I knew what every other wholesaler and realtor, like what they were bad at, what people were missing. And that was following up with leads, lead flow, automations. People are, especially in real estate, the lead conversion of just having to always follow up with leads, it's a long-term game. So a lot of people, get a lead in, they're texting a lead and just forget to follow up with it. So I realized if I could build something out where so they could track all their leads, follow up, have automations in place where they'd have missed call, text backs, etc., and be able to store everything in one place and grow their businesses out of, I had a product I could sell. So you want to productize the solution. So I use Go High Level to build all my automations and my system off of, and anybody can use it. You can go on Go High Level and you can join our school link as well. And we have our Go High Level referral links that you can use, and we'll give you free automations for using our referral link. But we used Go High Level for our automations, and that's what we built it off of. So I found my problem that I wanted to solve. I figured out what I was going to use to do it, and then I created a package around it and sold the outcome, not the tool. I'm not just selling, hey, here's a chatbot, you can GM, blah, blah, blah. I'm selling the outcome where I'm going to give you a plug and play system where you can run your entire business off of. You can save subscription costs, you can save money on employees. This will literally follow up with your leads for you. You can do some lead generation for you, qualifying, prospecting, etc., and does everything for you. You can literally run your whole entire business out of here and grow your business inside of it without outgrowing the system. And it will save you a lot of money and make you a lot of money. So I can justify charging anywhere from $497 to $1,500 a month plus setup fees. So you want to systemize everything as well. Templates, onboarding flows, automations, which equals zero tech work for me. You can do that all inside of Go High Level, and you can automate your whole entire onboarding process for when people sign up, the onboarding of getting their account set up, everything in between. So on to section 2 is what I use to build it. Obviously my tech stack is literally super cheap. Go High Level, which is $497 a month. ChatGPT is my best friend during this whole entire thing. And obviously, our branded version of it was Flex Connect. Zapier we use for a few things as well, but this is literally the 3 main things: Go High Level, ChatGPT, and Zapier, what I'm really using to build out everything that we're selling. And everything, like I said, was built inside of Go High Level, and we built snapshots, automations. Obviously, none of it was like custom coding or anything. You can do everything as flows inside of Go High Level. So I was able to build out everything inside of there, automate it, and then resell that as a product to other wholesalers and realtors. So you guys want to, pick a price model that scales. I see there's some people out there and other reps and other software companies and CRMs that are selling for like $50 a month, and it's insane. That just doesn't make sense. You're going to deal with way more clients. Your client base is not going to be amazing clients, and you're going to deal with a lot of customer support and just more headache, in my opinion. I rather create a system that I can sell at premium pricing and deal with premium people and less customer support, less onboarding, less overall work, but still charging more. So, a $1,500 a month offer stack, CRM setup, chatbots plus voice bots, missed call automations, reporting dashboard plus optimization. You could charge anywhere from $1,500 to $5,000 a month, depending on the niche, and even charge setup fees, $2,500, $5,000, $10 setup fees plus the retainer. So you can put all this together in one package and sell it for premium prices, and it's going to be a way better business model for you. So how I got clients was my client acquisition process with zero paid ads whatsoever for our software company. It was been all off of just posting on my social medias, cold DMs in Facebook groups, Instagram groups. I posted a video about that, like our DM scripts, a couple videos ago, but literally posting videos on social media, DMing people on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, going into Facebook groups and real estate groups, posting in there, and then also creating affiliate partnerships with other people that have like students and wholesaling groups and real estate groups, and having like students and Facebook groups, and partnering up with them, offer them an affiliate for bringing me referrals, and creating a free school group as well in the real estate space, and then leading people to book calls with me and my software. So that is literally exactly how I've gotten all of my clients and brought in everybody from where I'm at right now. I launched in November 2023, and it is now July 2025. So like a year and 7 months. So I've been able to bring in all that with no paid ads, with just these strategies. And that's all you need, guys. It's really easy, in my opinion. And how we scaled, so SOPs and automations, team of VAs, weekly client fulfillment and new offers, and plugging into some new niches as well. So, obviously having SOPs and automations in place for you to be able to, sign people up, know who's signing up, know who's canceling, onboarding process, our team of VAs to do all like the cold DMing, weekly client fulfillment, obviously, client onboarding and any support needs, and, also creating new offers and new niches. So I've created some new prices once I start. From when I started, I first launched at $2,500 setup fee plus $97 a month. And I have changed my offers since then a few times, created new offers and, new discounts, free trials, a bunch of different things that I can go over in a different video. And for after like 50, 70 clients in the real estate space, we then started duplicating the same system across other niches and window washing, insurance, home service, roofing, solar, and some other niches. But I always recommend starting off one. You just build it out once and sell, make your product greater and greater than this. And eventually you can start to scale into other niches. So that's exactly how I went about launching Flex Connect and scaling it to $51,000 a month in MRR. And if you would like to book a call with our team, I'll put the link below on our website. You can book a free strategy call with us and we can help you, pretty much set up exactly what we have set up for ours and just give you the tips and strategies and give you the hand holding for launching your AI SaaS, picking your niche, finding your first clients, and scaling it completely organically, to 10K plus a month. So hope this video helped, and like and subscribe, and shoot a comment if you have any questions, and hope to see you on the next video.